Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Natto, has a question for us. How you doing, Natto? Let's find out. Alrighty, so here we have a slice of bread. I'm using multigrain. You can use any kind of bread you want. Here is some butter. And here is a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. First, we're going to toast this bread in the oven. Toast. Ooh! Now we're going to spread the butter onto the toast. Now we're going to make it rain cinnamon and sugar on top of the toast. Alright, our cinnamon toast is done.
Yeah! Ooh!
I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small foods we can make in our small oven. See you next time!
Natto, high five. High five. High five, Natto, high five. High five. High five. Natto, high five. High five. Thank you. Natto, thank you. Natto, thank you. Natto, thank you. Thank you, Natto. Natto, thank you. Natto, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ish.